In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use conditional formatting to highlight a specific number in Microsoft Excel. So let's just say you have some data, and every data point that's 0, you want to focus on it for whatever reason. So to do this, you want to first highlight the information that you want to apply the conditional formatting to. Then go to the Home tab, and towards the right, you're going to see an option grouping for styles. Go to conditional formatting, and you're going to want to click on New Rules. After clicking on New Rules, you're going to want to go to the second from the top option and click on Cell Values that contain. Not cell value, you're going to make sure you click on cell value, so the values in your cells, and you're going to want to click on cell values that are equal to, so something that is specifically equal to, whatever number you want to highlight. So let's just say equals to the number 0. And you're going to adjust your formatting to whoever you want this specific number to look like. You're going to click on Format. And let's just say I wanted to have a red fill, for example. I click on the red fill, and I can click OK, but one thing to note is that you can also adjust the pattern color, the border, the font, the number, however you want it to be. So just say, for example, I want to outline the cells in a black border, and I also want the font to just be the same. So click OK, then click OK. As you can see, now with this conditional formatting rule, everything with a 0 value has a highlight with a red border, making it to where I can very easily point out the 0. So that said too, if you want to clear the conditional formatting rules, you can hide the data again, click on conditional formatting, click on clear rule, and you can clear the rule from either only selected cells or from the entire sheet. So I want to clear for the entire sheet, and it's gone. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.